In our today's class, we are going to continue the derivation for relationship between gravitational field and potential, gravitational potential. That's what E and V. So in last class, I think I have taught you an example also related to that. Am I right, everybody? A call to that Rudresh, Rishi, and Narayan, or somebody, Pradeep, and all, someone called. So let us see now. We'll continue that. So this will be the more important and interesting lecture. So and this is also for IIT mains and as well as NEET. So you can see that gravitational field will represent with what is the letter? Representation of gravitational field, everybody? Yes, please. E. And gravitational potential. What is the gravitational potential symbol? Everyone. What is the symbol for gravitational potential, Ra?
V.
V. So we all know this is a vector quantity and this is a what? Gravitational potential is a scalar
Scalar
quantity. So now we know that we have done the relations between them. So we know that what is E formula, everybody? E is equals to, what is the formula?
dv by dt.
Yeah, minus
Minus
indicating
dV
that
by
it is acting always opposite. So minus dV divided by dr. So now if you want to find this one in x-axis, y-axis, and as well as in z-axis, then we have to introduce a concept called it as a partial differentiation. So that is what? Partial differentiation of v divided by dx. Next, y is equals to, y direction is equals to minus dou v by dou y. This is dou, we can say. So on z-axis, Ez is equals to minus of dou v divided by dou z. This is what x-axis, y-axis, and as well as z-axis. So we have solved even one example, and I have taught you how to find it in x-axis, I think. Am I right, Pradosh? So now let us see what is the derivation, how you can find the relation. That is what E and V relation is. E is equals to dV by dr. Okay. So let us see the derivation and as well as we'll continue the concept. So it will be very interesting and as well as very important also after these concepts and all. So let me take the gravitational field is exerting in this direction. And there is a two points. One point is A, another point is B. And some mass M is present at point A. So it wants to move from point A to point B. But you can see a gravitational force. The force exerted due to gravity is exerting in this direction only. That is what mass into E. But if you want to shift this body from A to B, you have to bring some another force. What is that force? Call it as anybody? Yes, Rudreswar? That is what we used to call it as a F external. Am I right? Please respond. Which is acting opposite direction and it has to be equals to this. Why? Velocity or speed is it will change or it should not change? Everybody. Yes, please. It should not change. Understand? So if it changes means what will happen? Then it will not be having a gravitational field. Already we studied or not last class? Yes, Pradosh? That velocity of the body should not change. Without changing a velocity, how to shift from point A to point B. Then the external force which will be equals to this one, that is what? Minus ME. So now let me take the distance between from point A to B. I am considering as R. Then what is the work done by the external force? From where to where? If you are speaking, it will be very nice. Work done by the external force from where to where, guys? A to B or B to A? Everybody.
A to B.
A to B, which is equals to what? What is the formula? Work done is equals to, everybody, force into displacement. Am I right or wrong? Force into displacement. So F into S. So what is the force here which is exerting, which is equals to the gravitational force? That is what force exerted by gravity. So ground, force due to the ground. So which is equals to minus M into E. And what is the displacement? Displacement, let me take that is as a equals to small r. So what is the displacement, Ra? Which is equals to r. So now work done by the external force, if you have been taken, if you observe very carefully. So we all knows that. What do you mean by the work done by the external force? Anybody can tell me? We all knows that. What is the potential? This is what is the work done. So we all knows that the change in potential difference. Can you tell me from A to B? What is the change in potential difference? Anyone? final potential difference minus initial potential difference, which is equals to what is the formula? If you say it is good, if not, what I can. VB minus VA is equals to what is that? Work done from A to B for transferring a mass M. So that is the formula. Am I right? Anybody is there in the meeting or not? Please respond. That is what. So change in potential difference is delta V. So delta V is equals to, what is the work done? Work done is equals to minus ME into R divided by M. So MM will get cancelled. So what is the change in potential difference, everybody? Gravitational potential, which is equals to, please respond, minus E into R. Am I right, guys? Yes? All of you?
Yes.
Yes. So now let me consider from A to B. So this is what is the relation between potential difference and gravitational field and gravitational potential. So now, if I consider, again I'm saying listen, if I consider A to B is actually very, very close point, very, very close point, then we used to take something. Anybody can tell? If it is a larger distance, I have taken as A to B. A to B, I have taken as a R. If it is very, very close distance, then the distance we used to take something. If nobody wants to say anything, I will leave it. No problem. So what is the small distance we used to take? If I take a very, very close point, then this R will become what? Everyone?
DR.
DR.
Yeah. So means change in potential difference between final minus initial, which is equals to dr. Clear, everybody? So if you notice here, sorry, 1 minute. So which is equals to, we all know that dv, change in potential difference. So if I take this dv is equals to what? If I take very small, if I take very, very small, it is, so dv is equals to minus E into, this R will become what? Everybody, R or dr? Yes, please. dr. Clear? So that is what. So from that, E is equals to, what will happen, guys? E is equals to minus dv divided by dr. So that is how the relation between E and V, gravitational field and gravitational potential, will get. Again, I'm saying, so we all know, so we are considering the gravitational field is exerting in a particular direction. Now I'm having a mass M at point A. I have to move it to the point B. So we all knows that the force exerted due to the ground is always acting in the direction of E. Now, but body has to move from A to B in the opposite direction. Means velocity should not change. So I have to exert a force which is equals to the forward force, so that there is no change in velocity. So that's what the external force which I need to apply is minus opposite direction, minus M into E. So work done to transfer this mass M from point A to point B is force into displacement. So displacement is R, force is equals to minus ME. So that is what is equals to work done by the external force from A to B. So we all know from A to B, if the body mass M is moving, then there is a change in potential. That is what we used to say gravitational potential, which is we used to call it as a delta V, which is like we can say final V minus initial V. So final point is B point, initial point is A point. So VB minus VA, which is equals to, of course, delta V I can take. So what we know is that even from 10th class, V is equals to, what is the potential difference? V is equals to amount of work done to transfer the Q amount of charge. Same principle here we are applying. So change in gravitational potential is equals to work done to transfer the mass from A to B. That's all, per mass. So that is what is the potential, gravitational potential. So we all know work done is equals to minus M into E into R, MM will get cancelled. So we'll get delta V, change in potential is equals to minus E into R. Now, this is for whole body. This is for, we can say like entire body, entire system. But we need always what, everybody? Point mass. So point mass, I am considering as a very small distance. If very, very, very close point, A to B is like a, imagine very small point, then The small distance we used to consider as a dr. Then this also instead of delta V. Delta V means change in potential of entire system. This is delta V is for entire system. But we are taking a particular part. That is why it will become dV. Am I right? Rudreswar, do you understand what I am saying, Pradosh? So entire system means delta V. So it is only for a particular part, very, very close point, so that it is dV. So dV is equals to minus E into, instead of R, dr, because distance is very small. So E is equals to minus dV by dr. So this is what is the relationship between gravitational field and gravitational potential. If anybody is having doubt, you can ask me, please. Are you clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Understand? For those? Rudreswar? Busy? Okay. Solve it till here. Anything doubt, you can ask. Girls understand Mane and Samya? Princy? So, this is what is the relationship between gravitational field and gravitational potential. So let us see that how the questions we can solve in this. Again, here we have to use the differentiation concept, integration concept and all. So that is the concept throughout the physics. It will be coming, keep on coming. So that's why integration and differentiation, you should not forget it. Okay, everybody? Clear? So write it. Anything doubt, you can ask. You're okay, then we'll proceed further. Okay, guys? One and Samaya?
Yes.
Yeah. So question number 1. V is equals to 2 by x power 3. V is equals to 2 by x power 3. And one more thing I forgot. Maybe from November 15th, after Children's Day, maybe morning class also I may take weekly at least 3-4 days, because 10th class, they are going to be write the slot exam. So other than the science exam, before science exam day or maybe that before day, remaining days I might be free. So once this your mid exams is completed, that's what coming 25th onwards, then maybe weekly at least 2 times or 3 times I'll take morning class also, because you have to finish the second volume. How many chapters second volume? 6 or 7 chapters, Rudreswar? For those second volume? Okay. So V is equals to 2 by x power 3. Find e power x. Solve and you have to tell me. One question I'll teach you, later you have to do it. At x is equals to 6. So option A 1 by 36. Option B minus 1 by 64. Option C minus 1 by 216. Option D 1 by 216. So let us see now how to solve this question. So we all knows that Ex is equals to, so x-axis, find Ex at x equals to 6, they are asking. So Ex is equals to, what is the formula, everybody? dv by dx. Am I right or wrong? Y means dv by dx. X means dv by dx. Everybody is there on your mics, everything, solve it. I want to know. Simply you cannot be. Okay, now minus of d. What is the v value? V is equals to how much, everybody? 2 by x power cube divided by dx. So now you can see 2 is the constant I will put outside. So differentiation of 1 by x power 3 can I write as x power minus 3 divided by dx. Everybody clear? All of you? Yes, please. So 2 into differentiation of x power n. Anybody can tell, brothers? Formula, please. Differentiation of x power n. All of you. N into x power. I'm expecting. What is the formula?
-1.
N minus 1 or n plus 1?
N-1.
Others, தெரியாதா? See, that's what, if you want to silent, you can leave from the meeting. No problem. I'm saying you correct. So what is the formula? Same way. Tell me, Princey. Dx power minus 3. What is that? Mane and Samya, you also leave from the meeting. Not required. I don't want. Nonsense. What is this? You don't know d power differentiation of x power and you don't know formula. What is the use of studying the 11th class you go? And you people are going to represent NEET and all. Nonsense. Yeah, brothers. What is happening there? Differentiation of x power minus 3. Tell me what is the answer? Minus 3 into x power minus 4. So which is equals to, so e power x is equals to minus 6. But of course, here again minus is there. So minus of minus 6 divided by x power 4. So minus into minus plus, I'll take it. So which is equals to 6 divided by x power 4. So now they have given x is equals to how much? Verify it. X is equals to 6. 6 divided by 6 power 4. So which is equals to, how much is the answer? All of you. So of course, 6 ones are here 1 and here 1 get cancelled. 1 by 6 power 3. 1 by 6 cube, how much answer? 6 cube answer.
6.
216. Option D. Anything doubt you can ask. Differentiation and integration formulas always has to be there in the mind. Otherwise, there is no use of study. I am saying you again. And don't be like fools yourself. Please concentrate on the class. And try to answer. I know everybody's is okay. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Next question. I will give you, let me see how many of you will solve. Find the magnitude of E, that's all. So V is equals to x square plus y plus z cube. Find E at 1, 1, 2. So that's all is the question. Do it fast. Find the function of Ex. Ex, Ey, Ez. So first you can see that. Make it quick, everybody. So Ex is equals to, we all knows that minus partial derivation dv by dx. So if I have taken here, so what is there, everybody? So we all knows that with respect to x means remaining y and z terms will become what, everybody? Y and z terms will become what? Please respond. Y and z terms will become what if I am respecting with the x? Will become Teriyada. Y and z terms will become 0 with respect to x means, because it is not possible to derive. So that's all it is. So what will happen? Differentiation of x square, how much answer? Differentiation of x
2x.
square. Yes. Yeah, 2x. So 2x, okay. So 2x plus 0 plus 0. That's all it is. Next, differentiation of y. Of course, forget about the minus. Minus is indicating just it is acting opposite direction. So differentiation of y. So by the time what will happen? X term and y term is there. Z term will become 0. So dy. So what will happen, everybody? X term will become 0, y term will become 0. So differentiation of constant y. How much? Differentiation of constant, everybody. 1.
1.
So next, z. Differentiation of x square plus y plus z cube divided by dz. So what is the answer? 3.
3z square.
3z square. That is what. So only one girl knows. That's what I can feel. So 3z cube divided by zx, the 3z, z is equals to 3z square. So that's what. Now this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis. Yes, tell me, Princey. Then what is the all the 3 dimension E? E is equals to what? First one, irrespective of sign convention. 2x I cap plus second one, 1 j cap plus third one, 3z square k cap. Okay. So that is what is the E. So now we all know they have given the function E at they are asking x is equals to 1, y is equals to 1, and z is equals to also what? Everybody, z is equals to 1 or 2 or? Z is equals to 2. So E is equals to 2 times of 1 into I cap plus j into 1 cap. That's all. J cap plus 3 into z is equals to 2 square k cap. So if I solve this one, I will get the E. E is equals to 2 I cap plus j cap plus 12 k cap. So this is what they are asking us. Now you want to find the magnitude. What is the magnitude of gravitational field? Anybody can tell? What is the magnitude of Hello. Can you hear me, Pradosh?
Yes, sir. Now only.
No only.
Now only we can.
You can tell me correct. I have not seen the mic. What is the somewhere problem it is? You have to tell me correct before. From the beginning, it is not audible.
Now only, sir.
Okay. Is it just now not audible and again it is okay? Correct, Laksha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do it, everybody. To understand everyone how to find it? All of you? Do it. Anything doubt you can ask. Rudreswar, have we solved? Murali?
Yes, sir.
Everybody solve. Next. Unless you are showing interest, 11th is not easy. You already knows what is happening. In 10th itself, I told you, 11th, it won't be like 10th. You have to work. Find E at 1, 1, 1. I'm giving options. Start doing it. Let me see who will say first. +1, -1, root 14, option D, minus root 14. Make it quick, everybody. Let me see who will say first. I'm giving just exactly 1 minute time. If you solve it, you can do it. Try first. Everybody has to try. Trying is the first thing you have to learn. Please do it, everybody. Anything doubt? You can answer, please. Brother, if this much time, brothers, what is this? Try x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. You cannot find x-axis, x, y and z terms will be gone. Then what else is there? Yes, please. This is a multiplication. You cannot do the addition. Before means addition it is. So x and y terms is different. Then x term, tell me, x term is equals to what? Minus dv divided by dx, which is equals to. So minus dv. Okay, what will happen? Of course, forget about the minus. So dv means what is that, everybody? X square y z cube divided by dx. So dx is there. Remaining y and z cube no changes. X cube, x square means what? Everybody, 2x. Am I right or wrong? 2x. So 2 into 1 into 1 into z cube means 1 cube, which is equals to what is the answer? 2. Clear? Others is saying answer is C. Others, this much time. Very good, brothers. Make it quick, everybody. Try only, it will come correct. Forget about the sign. Sign convention is not a problem because it is only representing sign. So what else is there? X square y into z cube divided by dx. So sorry, dy. So y means x square and z square same. X square z cube dy by dx means 1. So which is equals to 1 only. Everywhere you can substitute. Then z direction equals to minus dv by dz, which is equals to d into x square y z cube divided by dy. Sorry, dz, which is equals to x square y 3z square, I think. Yeah, 3z square, which is equals to 3. Everywhere 1, 1, 1 you substitute it. So what is there? Yes, Vishali. So you have to try, everybody. So E is equals to what is that? 2i cap plus 1j cap plus 3k cap. You can check it, everybody. So you can find the mod. So mod is equals to root over 2 square plus 1 square plus 3 square, which is equals to 2 square 4 plus 1 plus 9, which is equals to root over, everybody, root over 14. That's all is the answer. So mod itself indicating what? Negative also it will become what, everybody? Mod itself indicating negative also it will become positive. That's all it is. You understand, everyone, how to do it? How to find the gravitational field? Anybody having doubt, you can ask me. One and Samya, what you are doing also I don't know. Are you clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's all. So now, yesterday before day, I have taught you the ring problem. Do you remember, everybody? What is the potential difference of a ring? I want to know. If I have taken the point outside the point, X point, I need to know what is the ring potential difference which have been done. Everybody, make it quick. R radius, if I have taken a point P about a x meters. So then what is the potential difference about this point? You have been done, everybody.
Minus GM
VP is
divided by
equals to, yes,
R
brothers, minus GM
Minus-
divided by root over
over R square plus X
R
square.
square plus X square. Am I right? Others, please respond. So that is what. Now we have importance of this. That is what, again, the same thing. So let us find what is EX of this one. So VP, you know that. Potential difference, we know. Then we need to know what is the gravitational field we have to find. So we all knows that Ex is equals to, what is the formula, everybody? Minus dV divided by dx. Am I right, everybody? So now minus of minus, again minus of minus, what will become? Is it necessary to substitute again minus of minus? I don't think so. Am I right? Please respond. So minus of minus will become what? Plus. So if I find this one, of course I'll teach you. So Ex is equals to, we'll get the formula. Remember, minus Gmx divided by R square plus X square power 3 by 2. This is what is will come if you do the differentiation. But you have to do the differentiation. Clear, everybody? Yes, please. So this is the answer will come. What is the ring if I have taken whose radius is R and point P? Point P, what is the gravitational field? That is what is the question. So let us see how to solve it. I will teach you. Observe. Mr. Sai Karthik, are you doing? So this is the answer. We need to get it. So let us see. I will teach you. But differentiation you have to teach. You have to explain me. So we all knows that Ex is equals to, formula tell me everybody. Ex is equals to what? Minus dV divided by dx. So minus of, V value tell me, Amma. Laksha, Ishali. Minus Gm divided by root over, Prince, are you solving, Princey? Root over X square plus R square divided by dx. So if you see this one, okay, minus of minus will become what, everybody? Minus into minus.
Plus.
Plus. So can I take this as a Gm is constant? I will take it as outside. So it will turn up into 1 by R square plus X square. Let me write that because you have to understand. So can I write this one as a R square plus X square whole power 1 by 2. Am I right? Any problem for anybody?
No, sir.
Actually, no, sorry, not 1 by 2 square. Because, yeah, if I write this one 1 by 2 only. So if I write the 1 by 2, so now this, if I write a inverse, so what will happen? Divided by dx. Yes, please respond. So Gm into, this will turn up into what? R square plus X square minus 1 by 2 divided by dx. Will you all agree with me, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, now we know the formula. X power n is equals to, what is the formula? N into X power
N
X
minus
power
1.
n minus 1. That is what it is. So same formula you apply here and tell me. So what is the formula I'll get? Gm into, everybody, power. What is the power? Minus 1 by 2 n into x value. What is X value? R square plus
R
X
square plus
square
X.
power 1 by 2 minus 1. Next, if it is like this, we all knows that. We have to do one more thing, differentiation. Have you observed and tell me? Again, formulas you revise and tell me. We have to do the differentiation of again something which is there inside. Do you remember, Rudrashwa? Pradosh? Like this will comes means terms differentiation time. So inside again we have to do the differentiation. So differentiation of R square with respect to dx is 0 plus differentiation of X square with respect to dx. What is that, everybody? Differentiation of X square with respect to dx. What is that?
2x.
2x. Do you remember, everybody? So inside one again you have to do the differentiation. Do you remember that rule? Everyone, we have learned first chapter, second chapter,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yes. Inside parameter again need to do the differentiation. So differentiation of R square is 0 plus differentiation of X square is 2x. That is what. Any doubt, anybody can ask me. So this is what it is. Now Ex is equals to, be very careful. So minus Gm divided by 2 into this one, R square plus X square whole power minus 1 by 2 minus 1. What is the answer? Minus 1 minus 2 divided by 2 minus 3 by 2. So what is the answer, everybody? Minus 3 by 2 into 0 plus 2x, which is equals to 2x. So 2 will get cancelled here. So what is the formula? Anybody? This minus 3 by 2 will come down. It will become positive. That is what? Minus Gm into x is there. X divided by. This will come down 1 by. So 1 by what is the answer? R square plus X square power 3 by 2. This is the formula. for ring actually. So same formula I have written up, verified everybody. Is the same formula both everyone? Any doubt? Anybody can ask me. Are you clear guys? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Understand Ra? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is what is ring actually. So now find it everybody. So what is the potential gravitational field in x-axis? This is what. If you want to find it for y-axis, you can find. Z-axis also you can. Of course, we won't be only for x-axis. So what is the formula? Gravitational field of a ring, which is equals to minus g into m into x divided by r square plus x square whole power 3 by 2. So that is what you have to remember. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. Also, everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, make it quick. Completed means let me know, we'll do it. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. Are those clear? Mr. Sai, are they? Shall we proceed now?
Yes, sir.
Write it. E is equals to 9 by x square. Question. E is equals to 9 by x square. E is equals to 9 by x square. Find V. Find V. See, from E to V, we have to do it what? Integration. And V to E, we have to do it what? Everybody. If you want to get V to E, we have to do it what? Differentiation. If you want to get E to V, we have to apply what? Everybody. Yes, please.
Integral.
We have to do it integration. Okay. So that is what you have to remember. Clear, everybody? So make it everyone. Anything doubt, you can ask me. So let's start now. So question is E is equals to 9 by x square. Find V at x is equals to 3 if V infinity is 0. Okay, everybody? Find x is equals to 3 if V infinity is 0. Clear, everybody? Infinity is 0. So option A 1, option B -1, option C 3, option D -3. So make it quick, everybody. Try whatever you can try, you do it and we can make it. So limits you can take it and you can do it. So limits from where to where? Anybody? From infinity to, we have to bring it to the where? From infinity to, we have to bring it to the where? V is equals to, everyone. From